All right, that was our Creole style butter marinade with our large raw shrimp. We're gonna give that a quick little mix. We have our cast iron on medium heat. And we're gonna get these shrimps cooked up in that delicious butter marinade. I also have here a lemon, and I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze my lemon juice right into our marinade and our shrimp. Now I did let those shrimps completely thaw in the fridge overnight. They are tail off and peeled, which is very important for this. And we're gonna use that whole lemon. So let's get the other half. All right. Oh, you can't do shrimp without lemon. So make sure you get all of that juice out. Now we're gonna make sure that this heat gets brought back up and that shrimp gets fully cooked. We do not want any translucent shrimp. We want these to be nice and beautifully pink. Ooh, okay, we're gonna let those sit. Make sure none of them are lapping so they all get a nice cook on them, and then we will be right back. Okay, those shrimps are nice and cooked. We're gonna go ahead and turn off our heat and remove our pan. All right, we have our perfectly cooked shrimp. We're gonna place that to the side to cool. I'm gonna bring in a medium-sized bowl and my hard-boiled eggs that I cut in half. And with my eggs, I'm gonna go ahead and pop out the yolks right into our bowl. Okay, this is gonna be a super yummy, super easy kind of appetizer, great for a potluck, great for these warmer months because it is just refreshing. I absolutely love shrimp, I love eggs, and I love this appetizer. So let's go ahead and get all of our eggs emptied out. Okay, we have all of our yolks in there, and I only did 6 eggs. Now I'm gonna come in with my real mayo, and we're gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of mayo right in there. Okay, that might have been too much, but I think we'll be fine. And then we're gonna come in with our sweet relish, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of that. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this lid off because it just makes it so much easier. Obviously you can measure this, but I am measuring with my heart, which is how I like to do this recipe. I love sweet relish, so we're adding a little extra. And then to spice things up, we have our Tabasco sauce, and you're gonna just add as much as you like of this. If you don't like it hot, you can skip it, but my family loves hot things, which is why I always add a little bit of heat to my recipes. Okay, I added about 1 teaspoon of the Tabasco, and now it's time to season this up. I have my pink Himalayan salt, give it a little bit of sodium, a little bit of saltiness, which I love. And then we have our black peppercorn, and you can season this just how you like as well. We are just adding what we like. And of course that means we're adding some garlic powder. Have you ever seen me make a recipe without some garlic powder or fresh garlic? Yum. And then last, to tie in with those shrimps, we are gonna add some Creole seasoning as much as you like. I know this thing has a kick and we already have that hot sauce, but this is gonna be amazing. And you can do Old Bay if you prefer. I love that Creole butter, which is why I chose Creole. And now we just have our fork so that we can mash this up. Ooh, this looks so delicious. Okay, that looks good enough. My arm is tired. Now we're gonna transfer this to a piping bag. All right, now that we have that ready, I'm coming in with my egg whites, and we are gonna fill these up like you should. And I did a bigger kind of cut with my piping bag so that we could fill these up super fast. Oh my goodness, that mixture smells absolutely delicious. It has all of my favorite things in there. Now you could make these a little bit prettier with like a piping tip, but with what we're doing, that's not necessary. All right. All right, you know what time it is. We're gonna place our little shrimps right into our deviled eggs. Look how cute that is. We are making some Cajun styled shrimp deviled eggs. Yes, when I was in New Orleans, I tried these and they were life-changing. So this is my version. Obviously it's not perfectly Southern, but I think it's gonna be a crowd pleaser. All right, we got our last shrimpy on there. And of course, this needs a little bit of greenery. So I have a little bit of dill that I'm just gonna kind of cut here and there on top of our delicious deviled eggs. You could add some paprika, you could add some chives, but this is how I wanted to do it since we had all that delicious sweet relish. And I just think that the dill is so delicate and beautiful, especially when you just kind of toss it wherever you want. Okay, and of course we have to try these before our guests come over. I'm so excited. Do you think I can put the whole thing in my mouth?
You can try.
Oh, I don't think I can.
Is it good?
That is delicious.